Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Korede Johnson. Today I am doing an Ankara inspired makeup look for you guys. More like this African print is inspiring my look. As you can see, I'm already using my Eversheen pencil in brown for my brows, and I'm using my spoolie to brush it in place. I'm also using my LA Girl concealer in warm honey to define my brows. I'm also going to use my foundation in Maybelline Warm Coconut 356 to define my brows for the at the outer area, just so that it can blend into my skin. And then I'm using my concealer again for my eyelids. You don't necessarily need to apply this before eyeshadows, but it's always good that you do that. And then I'm also using my classic eyeshadow primer. It is a Nigerian product and it's really nice. And then I'll be going to my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. It is well pigmented. I'm using this purple color on my eyelids. I'm also just going to blend it and make sure that I blend it properly. I had this eyeshadow palette for a while now, but I haven't used it. And then I'm also using this Morphe and Jacqueline eyeshadow palette. It's like a mauve eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying like a deep color on my eyelids as well, just so that the contour can be deeper. And then back to my concealer. I'm using it to cut my crease. This is a cut crease look, guys. I haven't done cut crease in a while. Like, I'm used to doing it on people, like I'm doing it on people, but on myself it was quite a struggle. But you know how YouTube is, you guys, you're not going to see all the struggle that I went through trying to cut this crease, because we don't want this video to be like an hour. And then I'm also using this purple shimmering eyeshadow on the same palette by Morphe and Jacqueline. I'm applying it on my crease, on the mini part of my crease. I'm just going to keep applying and blend it in. And I'm also using this lilac color from the same palette. I'm applying it on the inner corner of my crease, and I'm just going to keep blending. I'm going to make sure that I blend where the two colors are meeting. And I'm also using this deeper purple color on the same palette for the outer corner of my crease. I'm just going to make sure that I blend it in properly. It is almost like an half cut crease, guys, and I am loving this look already. I'm back on my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Using this green eyeshadow, I am applying it on the lower part of my eyelids, and it's just a very popping greenish lemony green. I'm applying it on the second eye as well. I love the pop of color aside from the purple going on my upper part of my lid. I'm using my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. I love this eyeliner. I'm almost like it shouldn't finish because it was quite a struggle to get it here. I ordered it online, and you know I'm in Nigeria, so it's coming all the way from the US. I love it. I'm using this Secret Kohl pencil in black to line my eyes. I'm also using my Mabruk mascara. Like I said earlier, I said I'm going to get a Maybelline mascara, but this mascara is also doing well for me. I'm using my Maybelline foundation now in Warm Coconut, and I'm just applying it. It's quite bright for my skin, but when it oxidizes, it just gets darker and blends into my skin. I'm just applying it around my mouth, and I'm going to keep applying it, you know, just so that everything just blends properly. You can never go wrong with blending. You just want to make sure you blend. So I'm on my forehead now. I really do not put so much foundation around my forehead. I don't really know why. I don't like so much going on there. It's not like I sweat there a lot. I'm also using my LA Girls to define my eyeliner, and I'll be applying it on my highlight area under my eyes. second part of my eye as well, and also on my nose, my forehead, my cupid bow, and my chin. I'm just gonna blend. Like, seriously, you don't want to go out looking like a masquerade, especially when you're dressed in African print. Just say you're an African masquerade, so just make sure that you blend out all that concealer, and it will just give you some kind of light under your eyes, and make your eyes pop. I'm blending it on my chin, on my cupid bow, my nose, and straight to my forehead. Man, you guys, this concealer is so dark. It's a LA Girl concealer. I can't even remember. Maybe it's Ebony. Is there any name called Ebony on the dark concealers? It's really dark. That's why you can see that I'm just putting it in lines. And I also want to make sure that I blend it out, because if those lines are there and I don't blend it out, it will just look like I have tribal marks on my face. So I didn't want to put too much. I just applied very little, just so that it's easy for me to blend out. I'm blending it on the other side as well, and I'm just going to make sure that it blends out properly. You can never go wrong with blending, except you created a line sharply on purpose. And I'm also blending it around my nose, just to give my nose like a snatched look, making my nose look like it's longer than usual. So I'm applying my Sasha Cosmetic Buttercup powder, and I'm just using it to highlight those highlighted areas where I applied my warm honey in LA Girl earlier. I am using my Milani Power face, and I'm just going to use it to blend everything all out. Blend, 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 blend above my eyebrows as well. I'm applying a little highlighting powder by Sasha Cosmetics under my eyes, and I'm using my Ebony. This Ebony by CoverGirl broke it. I hope I'm able to get another one. It's a bronzer, and I'm just using it to scrub my face. I'm not putting too much because I don't want to look like like a bony structure. So I'm using it for my nose as well. It's broke, but I still have it. I'm using my classic makeup blush. I like this blush. It's a Nigerian product. It's really nice. The color is very popping. And I'm also using my e.l.f. highlighter in apricots. I love this highlighter. I have one in Maybelline, which is not bad, but this has been my go-to highlighter for a while now. Then I'm using this pencil from Zaron. I don't know if it's called mahogany or what's it called. Is it wild vine? I can't really remember, guys. But I'm sure you can see it on the screen. And man, I'm going to be using this Zaron lipstick. It is well pigmented. It just melts on your lips like butter. I don't know how they did it. I got it from my younger sister, and it's really gorgeous. It is called Zaron lipstick in Blondie. It is very gorgeous, and there we go. We have a finished look. Hope you love the outcome of this makeup. Like, I'm enjoying myself. I'm ready for an Owambe already. Let's go. Thank you so much. Love you.